Do you know many people are having trouble with the Icemaker lever on their Whirlpool WRS325SDHW refrigerator? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Remove ice bin. Remove the ice storage bin by pressing down the release lever and tilting the bucket outwards. Step 2. Check bin sensor. Check the ice storage bin sensor on the left wall of the freezer door to ensure it's functioning properly. Step 3. Replace ice bin. Replace the ice storage bin, sliding it onto the door and ensuring the release lever clicks securely in place. Step 4. Lower shutoff arm. For Style 2 Icemaker, lower the wire shutoff arm to the on position to turn on the Icemaker. Step 5. Open door, lower arm. For Style 3 Icemaker, open the Icemaker door and lower the wire shutoff arm to the on position. Step 6. Flip on/off switch. For Style 4 Icemaker, open the Icemaker door and flip the on/off switch to the on position. By following these steps, your Icemaker lever should be working perfectly again, ensuring a steady supply of ice. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Whirlpool users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.